Still at the administration section, we can also go and look at our inventory reports. Once you click on the inventory reports, it brings you to this page. At this page, you can click here and see your current stock levels of medications in your pharmacy. You can click here to see drugs that are expiring, and then we can click here to update stocks in case maybe some drugs get missing or some drugs get stolen, or sometimes you have some drugs that are destroyed, like bottles being broken and etc. You have to correct your stock on the system, so you can use the update stock levels to correct the stock. We are going to go through all of them. So let's look at our current stock levels. If we click on current stock levels, we'll see the list of drugs in our system and their quantities remaining. Currently, I only have 2 drugs on my system because this is a test system. But even if you had 100 drugs, you see all on your system, and it will be listed in alphabetical order. We can also come to the expiring drugs button here and see drugs that are expiring. So normally drugs that are expiring are set to give you a warning at least about 3 months ahead of time. We can customize the warning time to your specification at your hospital. But even before you come here, the system is set up to warn the pharmacist if there's any drug expiring. Right now, as you can see, we have 1 drug expiring. So if the pharmacist goes to his side and goes to dispense a drug, you see that there's a notice that says you have 1 drug expiring. Once the pharmacist clicks on this, he can come back to this page to see the drugs that are about to expire. So the system gives you the pop-up warning beforehand. Now let's look at how to update stock. So maybe 1 drug is missing or a bottle got broken, so you need to update the stock. This can be done by the administrator of the hospital, and once you come to update stock, you click on the drug that you want to update the stock, and then here you have the current stock level. You can update the stock, maybe change it to 5, or maybe there was an error, so instead of 10 you can change it to maybe 9 and save, and the system corrects it. So next time it's deducting, it will deduct from this new stock.